Hi, it's Mimi from Living Well Kitchen, and today I'm making Instant Pot Lentil Curry. Why do I love this recipe? Well, it's easy, it's delicious, it makes a lot, and leftovers are even better. And you can freeze it. We're just gonna dice the veggies. Your vegetables are almost just gonna melt into your curry. So you can use all frozen vegetables, you can use all fresh vegetables. While I'm chopping the vegetables and measuring out spices, I like to go ahead and start sauteing. I like the little extra flavor it gets. So you put the onions and bell peppers in first, then add your garlic, and then we're gonna add all the spices. Oh, that smells so good. Add some tomato paste, stir all that together. Something I always find a little puzzling is how they say like rinse and sort your lentils. Instead of meticulously going through, I rinse them off and I do this. And I'm like, check, sorted. So those have been sorted, kind of stir it in there. And then we're gonna add our water. And that's when you're gonna scrape all the bits off the bottom. The coconut milk. You're gonna use the whole can. And then last but not least, we're gonna add some sugar. Sprinkle that in. Give it a good stir. Make sure nothing's stuck. I think I'm ready to cook. Cover and cook. Then release the pressure and serve with rice if desired. Everyone will love this easy vegan meal. For the full recipe, visit Living Well Kitchen. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and share.